How to upload video on TikTok PC. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to upload a video to TikTok from a PC. So TikTok now fully supports desktop uploads via its website, so you can post without needing the mobile app. Now all you have to do is, first of all, open the preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down the tiktok.com and navigate to the TikTok's official website. So as you can see, there is TikTok Make Your Day option available. Simply tap on it and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. If you see login option available there, then simply enter your credentials and log into your TikTok account. So now once inside the TikTok, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available at the left hand side panel. You can see there is upload option available right next to the plus. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can simply navigate to the upload button option available there. Now all you have to do is drag and drop your video or simply click select file option available there and choose for the supported format MP4 or WebM and simply tap on it. So I do not have much videos or photos available on my desktop to upload on TikTok, but here let me choose one randomly. So as you can see, there is the video is being loaded at the top. It must be up to 100% for your video to be completely loaded and in order to post it. So now wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, it has reached the 100% at the top. Now you can simply tap on the post option available at the bottom left corner of your screen and post it according to your preferences. You can also add captions and you can also create some privacy settings, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.